How to sign out your YouTube account from other devices. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can sign out your YouTube account from other devices, so make sure to stick with me till the very end. If you would like to sign out your YouTube account from other devices, it's actually quite very simple. Simply open up the YouTube app. Because your YouTube account is just your Google account, you have to log out your Google account from those devices. So tap on the YouTube profile icon from the bottom right, then you'll find an option here that says Google account. So sometimes it could be written as manage your Google account. You just have to look for it. Once you go to Google account option, you can simply go to the security tab that you can find here, and once you go to the security tab, simply scroll down here under your devices. You'll find manage all devices, so tap on manage all devices option, and after you've done that, simply select a certain device that you want to remove your YouTube or your Google account from. Tap on sign out, then tap the sign out button to sign out of those devices. This way you can sign out your YouTube account from other devices. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.